everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again. Hi Abami. Okay, so if you're new here, I know you don't know what TABSignatures is all about. TABSignatures is about fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and I'm gonna be doing some travels, vlog to when COVID-19 is all over and it's all gone, when the pandemic is all over. But for now, enjoy my fashion and styling and lifestyle that I'm gonna be dishing out to you guys. And if you're new, please press the subscribe button so you can be a TABSFAM. TABSFAM is family member kind of thing, so you can be a member of the family. And if you are already subscribed to the channel, you're welcome back. So today I'm gonna be teaching or showing you how to look classy in jean. So many people, I've heard so many people say this, that they don't believe you can look classy when you're wearing jean, when you're on jean. Jean makes you look casual. I don't think that is totally right. So today I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually look classy and in jean. Dressing classy doesn't mean you have to wear like a formal clothing like most people believe. You can incorporate classy elements into your everyday look. You can do that no matter how your style is. You can look for a way to just find the class into it. So today, if your style is jean, if you're a jean person like me, I'm a jean person. So if you're a jean person, I'm going to show you how to add class to that jean that you love. What does it even mean to look classy? What you should, number one thing you should know about looking classy is to have a well-tailored pieces and the fabric's quality that you're wearing. And also in classiness, you should look for clothing that are timeless. I mean timeless clothing that won't fall out of fashion. And another thing, like timeless clothing like blazer, like jeans, like leather jacket, like pants, having look. Like you be wearing pink, you wear pink on pink. Make sure your purse has a structure. It's not just bending to one side, So that's one of the elements that will help your classiness, that will help to elevate that look into looking classy. We'll be talking about in another video how to look classy, on a low budget. You don't have to go for the most expensive things in the whole world to look classy. Your style makes you classy. The way you style and pair your items makes you classy. So I'm going to be showing you today how to incorporate all of these elements that I'm talking about into your look to make you into your style, so that you will have that classy look. So the trick to looking classy in jean is to make sure you avoid ripped jeans, distressed jean. You know why? Because looking classy is to make sure that you have your clothing appear unwrinkled and looking good, like it's in good condition, well tailored. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So that is what looking classy actually means. So ripped jean doesn't show that classiness. So avoid as much as possible ripped jean if you want to look classy. So in this style, which is right here, most people like pairing, if they want to look a bit classy in jean, what people usually do is to wear like a t-shirt inside a blazer, and we pair it with their jean. Number one rule, if you're going to be wearing a t-shirt in a blazer on a jean, number one rule to note is avoid brands and logo. Avoid graphic t-shirts, because when you wear graphic t-shirts, you're already diverting people's. Like I said, a well-tailored clothes, a plain look, that's what makes you look classy. So avoid logo, avoid branded t-shirts, avoid graphic t-shirts. And after doing that, if you see, I added a scarf, a little edge and make it look more classy. So that is the first. And also, if you notice, I paired it with a white jean. One thing white does, I would say, if you like jean a lot and you want to look classy in your jean, you should, it's a must. I feel like it's a must for you to have a white pair of jeans in your closet. White has a way of elevating your style, your look. Look at this style. I paired it with a lilac shirt, which has that little ruffle detail on the shoulders, and it is a very simple color. Simplicity is very key in looking classy. Simple is classy. I'm going to be adding this gray blazer. To gray is also one of the classic colors. Like I mentioned earlier, I talked about black, white. Gray is one of those colors you should look out for. So I paired my my dress with the denim, the bootcut black denim jean. Another color you should add to your closet if you're a jean person is a black jean bootcut. The black jean in your closet, be it straight, any style of black jean, whichever one is your style, just make sure it doesn't have any rip. It's not just where I pair it with my dress here, and then added the green bag because there is green. One of the colors in my dress is green, and I'm trying to ensure I don't have like riots in colors that I'm pairing together. So I have my black jean, no rip, nothing, with the dress with this green bag. The entire look is classy, it's simple, it's not too complicated, and that will elevate your style. I paired my dark denim bootcut jean with this shirt, and if you look at the shirt, it's not too complicated, it's not too bright because of the colors it has. I paired it together, and I added my black leather jacket to tone it down and give it that edgy look and classy look. So in this one, because white and black would always, you can never go wrong in a monochrome, you can never go wrong in a white and white or a black and white. Black and white is one of the most important colors for looking classy. So I paired my black shirt with this detail, like a puffy kind of detail, not just a straight hand, so it won't just look super simple. So with that detail, still with my white denim jean, and look at the entire look. It's pretty simple, but it's classy. And a white purse, like you can also wear like a white shirt with a white denim, and you will still look classy. For this look, if you look at this look, I paired it I paired my blue denim jean with no hem. But if you notice, the hem is properly trimmed. Extra things coming out of the hem. That's one of the things you should look at if you're going to wear a no hem. No distress, but if you're going to be wearing a no hem, which you're not supposed to wear, but if you at all wants to wear like a no hem jean, just make sure it's properly trimmed so that nothing is flipping out. Remember, well tailored clothes make you look classy. So I paired it with this my white organza shirt from Forever 21, with my white sandal from my Honey Mitchell, which I already told you guys in my last video. And if you've not seen that video, please go and see that video. And please don't forget, before I keep talking and talking, I have to remind you guys, if you're new here, subscribe to this channel. If you're already subscribed, share this video so that you won't be the only one to benefit from all these things I'm talking about. Share this video to family and friends, and don't forget the notification button so you can always get notification. Hit that bell, so you can always get notification that TABSignatures have uploaded a new video. Next one, I decided to pair my Hannah shirt It's a pretty simple shirt which I wear to work with this my vintage wide leg jean. I can't even remember where I got it, but I know I've had it for a long time. So, and to now elevate the entire look, I added my black leather jacket. I just feel like a black leather jacket is one of the things you should have in your closet if you want to add class to your style. You can see that I added my Jones New York bag, which makes it, you know, makes the entire look, transform the entire look, elevate the entire look. And yeah, that's there. If you are a wide leg person, you don't want a tight jean, you don't want a boot cut, you don't want, you know, just, you can go with this look. So for this look, I'm not wearing shirts, as you can see, I'm wearing a top. But the fabric, I talked earlier about, you know, quality fabric. The quality of this fabric, I'm going to, you know, move it closer to you so you guys can see. Simple top, but if you look at the quality of the fabric, it makes it a piece that, you know, you can add, that can add class to your style. Also with my blazer, you know, which helps, you know, in giving that look. And yeah, that's it. So if you're a top person, this style might be for you. And I paired it with my Forever 21 strappy sandal, which is also the same color, the burgundy color, as the top. So to make sure I have, you know, a monochromic kind of look. One that likes a skinny jean, this style is for you. So I added the black skinny jean. We are going for black again. I added the black skinny jean with the zebra top and the leopard skin shoes and the red blazer. Yes, and look at the entire look. And to now ensure that I don't have, you know, too much riots in colors, I added my red purse, a camisole inside your blazer. This is for you. You like wearing this a skinny jean, this is for you. Look at the entire look, simple. Look at the shoes, simple, not too much, not too, you understand. And I paired the prints nicely. If you're going to go for pairing prints, make sure your print goes nicely, make sure your print blends nicely so you don't mess up your whole style. Comment below, let me know your jean style, let me know how I can come in to help in adding class to that style. And if you are someone that found your style here, let me know which one is your style in the comment section down below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed little looking classy in jean video today. And if you enjoyed it, also comment down below. But please don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to click the notification button so you can get updates about my upload. You can get notified about my uploads every Saturday. And after doing that, yeah, we'll have a discussion in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, guys, love you.